So if you have just moved into a new house that has this Kwikset Keypad lock, or you acquired an existing one, or even a brand new one, what you should do is to perform a factory reset. And that's going to remove all the existing codes and return the lock to factory defaults so you can reprogram it and set your own codes. You don't want to leave any existing code in this lock for security reasons. So to perform a factory reset, what you want to do first is to go to the interior assembly right here, and what you want to do next is to remove the interior cover. So the next thing you want to do is to press and hold the programming button for 15 seconds. This is the programming button right here, so you want to press and hold it for 15 seconds. So let's go. Keep holding. And once you hear that long beep, release it. Now press it once more. So that's it. The reset is complete. And now the lock is back to factory defaults. So all existing codes are out. So what you want to do next is to reprogram the lock and set your own codes. So the first thing you want to do is to perform the door handing detection. Whenever you reset this lock, what you want to do first is to perform the door handing detection. The lock needs to learn the orientation of your door to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. So to do this, you want to press the programming button once. Now let's go to the keypad. And what you want to do next is to press 0 and hit Kwikset. So you can see the movement of the bolt. The bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. So the door handing process is complete. And what you want to do next is to add user codes. A user code for this lock is a 4 to 8 digit code I can use to unlock your door from the outside, as you already know. So to add the user code, what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And now you want to press 1 and hit Kwikset. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit Kwikset. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your code has been added. So let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Alright, and to unlock, enter your code. So that's it, and this lock allows you to add up to 25 user codes, so you can repeat the steps to add more user codes. So let's add another code. Go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And now you want to press 1 and hit Kwikset. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit Kwikset. So that's it, so the code has been added again. Let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Now to unlock, enter the code. Okay, so that's how to add user codes after resetting your lock. And if you want to remove a single user code, what you want to do is to go back to the interior assembly and press the programming button. So what you want to do next is to press 2 and hit Kwikset. Now enter the code you want to remove. Hit Kwikset, enter the code again. Hit Kwikset. So that's it, the code has been removed. So let's test it. Hit this button to lock. So to unlock, let's try the code we just removed. So you can see it's no longer working. Let's enter an active code. So that's it. That's how to ensure security on your Kwikset Keypad lock, like this one here, the Kwikset Powerbolt 250. So what you want to do is to make sure you reset your lock to remove all existing codes and then set your own codes. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.